Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to do a virtual walkthrough. So since you can't be with me, let me demonstrate this great starter home. Now this is priced aggressive. It's 1202 Valleyview Street Northwest, North Canton, Ohio, 44720. So this is a very cool house. Great little starter home, no garage, great backyard, convenient to shopping, inside the city, close to Price Park. Awesome property. Let me show it to you. So we basically just had it painted, and kitchen, as you can see, some granite countertops. But let me give you the view out the front door first, and then we'll just walk through the house. All right, so here's it's like double doors. So basically, here's the view. Gravel driveway, nice little front porch. You can sit here and have a cup of tea in the morning. Okay, so you come in here. All right, so when you first come in, if you look straight back, you see there's two doors, sliding doors to go to a large deck. And then right here is a half bath off the hallway. And then there's a bedroom on the other side. So you can use it as a master bedroom bath or a visitor bath. And then down below there's a walkout lower level. You can see right down here, which we'll go down in a minute. Okay, so right here on the foyer, you can take a look at the floor. It's like a plank floor. It's really nice. The kitchen is vinyl. That's fresh. The paint's fresh. It's not perfect. We're selling it as is, but it's a great home for someone that wants a great location, great school district, and a nice property that you can grow into. The vinyl windows, you can see they've been replaced. The countertops are granite. Undermount sink. Electric stove. There's no refrige, but this is where the refrige would go right here. This just goes right outside to the side of the house, right here. The cabinets are just older white painted cabinets, as you can see. Like I said, it's a great little starter home. This is all nice and open. Now the carpeting is all new, just went in last Friday. So let me show you what it looks like. It's like a plush gray. The walls are like a taupey gray, amazing gray, really nice. And then right here is a sliding door to the deck. Give you an idea. And then over here is another sliding door to where you would have access to the deck as well. And then stairwell to get down. So let me give you this view. So this would be your living room. Lots of natural light. You could probably tell by the camera. And then we're going to take a look again towards the front door and the kitchen. Give you an idea. Okay. Now let's take a look here. So this would be your front closet, which the doors aren't back on yet. Okay, and then remember I showed you the bathroom from the other side? So you have 3 points of entry. This is from the hallway. And then of course when you go in, there's a 4-foot shower there, 5-foot shower. And then a linen closet straight ahead here. And your first bedroom with some cork on the wall. Let's see what the view is out the window. So way in the back, you see that fenced in area. There was a garden back there at one time, but it's all overgrown now. Little storage barn. Really nice backyard. It's pretty private with all the growth. All right. So that's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is right here. So this takes you out looking front. So let me show you the front view again. All right. You can see the driveway here. Sidewalk up to the front porch. Now when I showed you the other entry point off the hallway, this is to the bathroom here. Let me give you just a little peek in here so you can see. That's a 5-foot shower. All right. And then bedroom number 3. This actually is a 4-bedroom home. All right. And a good sized closet. another little view out the back. Okay. All right, so let's make our way downstairs. Okay, back towards the front of the house. Again, here's one more little peek. So here you go, double doors to the deck, to the kitchen area. You got granite countertops, all freshly painted. Like I said, a super house, needs still a little bit more work, but it's great starter, retirement home. If you have a little money to spend, a little bit of vision, this could be an awesome home. Okay, downstairs we go. Now this is a walkout lower level and another sliding door. So this would be like a little family room, I guess you could say. Let's get a peek out the window. So here's underneath the deck here to the left. A little awning here. But yeah, nice yard. Okay, now this would be the fourth bedroom over here through this doorway. So this would be some build-ins over here. All right. Here's to the garage, or to the driveway, I'm sorry. All right, and then this is your utility room. So over here you got a newer water heater, a carrier furnace. Your washer and dryer would hook up right here. You have city water and sewer and trash on one bill. This is North Canton. All right. No air conditioning, so it's a little warm today. Here's a half bath that's actually just getting finished. There's the mirror, just didn't even go up yet. Right here, the vanity. Okay. And the floor is the same as it's in the kitchen. It's like that vinyl sheet of vinyl. Okay, so back to the living room. So this is almost like a living suite, a separate suite. A lot of natural light coming in here. Okay. Then this bonus room over here, this was a garage at one time that got finished into semi-space with a separate entrance. So this could be an exercise room. Well, let's see the view out here now. Okay, here you go. Give you an idea. All right, and then a little workshop back here. So, the electric box back in the corner. That's a 100 amp breaker. And then a big old workbench or two. Plenty of storage. So this would be a nice little property. And actually, if you ever want to put a gas stove, there's some gas right here where that outlet is. Okay, so I want to say thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the virtual walkthrough with me. If you have interest in this home located in North Canton, priced aggressive, being sold as is, but it has great bones, good potential. Call me at 330-418-1535 or go to my website, dominicfonte.com, to see this tour or other tours. If you need to send me an email, send it to dominic@dominicfonte.com. Thank you.